Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today in this video, I am going to show you some really cool update in Firebase Studio, now powered by Gemini 2.5 Pro. The first thing you will notice, it's now a lot easier to build app prototypes. You don't need to know how to code. You can just describe your app idea in natural language, or even you can use images or sketches. Firebase Studio will turn that into working apps with full UI, backend, and even AI features. Pretty amazing, right? Next, coding is a lot smarter now. The built-in AI can help you write codes, complete it as you type, explain what the code is doing, and even help you fix bug if something goes wrong, all by using plain English. There is also a new way to edit your app design. You can just draw on a screen like a circle and tell what you want to change, like the color and the text size. No need to mess with any complicated CSS. And finally, the app design look much better than before. They are cleaner, more modern, and work great on any screen. So in this video, I'm going to walk you through all these features, show you how they work and how you can use them to build your app faster and easier. So let's jump in. So let's take a quick overview over the features that Gemini 2.5 provided in Firebase Studio. So this is the first one that we can see. We can add an attachment as an image. So we can add, you can add an layout image to make it better, to make the Firebase Studio better understand about the layout that you want to it create. And now we want to see some other features. So I'm going to use this already created workspace. So I have created this space an hour ago, and let's see. So we are going to see like the features that are just changes. So the first one is like the this is a draw one. So this is the overview, the layout, the front end, and UI layout, you can say. So if we want to make some changes here, so what we can do is now we don't have to write it here like about the changes we want. We can just click here on this icon and it will open like something like this. So what we can do is if we select on this one, like the first one, so we can just double tap on this and here, and we can just write something like create an button here. So it will create that button, or you can just make an layout or temporary layout like here. So it will create a button, and you can add shapes, you can draw, you can even draw things so this will the button. So this is like a draw, and you can click on the sand drawing and it will start making the changes. And you can again you can type here something like this, and you can also upload images. And if I upload this image, so this is a reference image that you have multiple images for the different sections of the same one page, and different sections. So you can what you can do is you can create different layout for like different sections and put it them here in the one section. And like if I put this image here and I just click on the sand drawing, and it will start making changes. So this is the first one. And if I just click on this centering, and it will start making changes. So this is the first feature that you can see on this front end. And now let's just wait it is now creating the changes. Let's see how it's good at making the changes. And after that we will see like the Gemini feature that you can see in the backend. I guess we have put it too many too many forms in the one command, so it will took some more time. And here we have the image option here as well. So if you want to upload an image layout, so you can upload it here as well, and it will make the changes. So this is the current one, file changes. And does it make the changes? So if I refresh this page, so file changes, so it here's a button, like this is a button that it created. It is good, like you can say, like let's go to the like move to the another feature. So if we go to the backend, edit load, and this is our backend page. So we have selected a file. So you just think like you want to like make these changes in this file, and you don't know what is this file, and what this file like does in the front end, or like what is the like use of this. So all you have to do is just click on select this all code, and if you're gonna right click on this and come to the below, here you will find a Gemini option, and you can see like some options here. Edit inline chat, that you can ask Gemini to edit this complete code if you know what this code is about, and what changes you want. And second option you have is like explain selected code. Like if you don't know what this code is about, so you can just click on this, and here it will like start explaining this what this code is about in like plain English. So you can see this is a like the explanation of the code that we have on the like left side, and right side you have the explanation. So this is a Gemini tab that you can see. This is a web tab. So this is an overview that this code, and this is a Gemini tab that we can use. This is a like explanations and like editing in the Gemini, that you can go with the right click and like Gemini option. You will get here the add code and the like explanation code, and then we have like another options here on the Gemini tab. Here you will find this attachment option again, and but with like two more functions. One is drawing and another is file. So file is basically for the like if you have already written some code for the like sections or like different pages, so you can just directly upload them here. Or drawing is basically for the like layout designment. So this is a layout designment that I have already designed like previous time, and if I want to like add something more, so I can just draw here, and it will just do it. Like if I just click on the standard, and it will start making the changes from the back end to the like front end. So it's appear the sketch of the laptop, anything regardless, anything else, no. You can just do it with this like the changes, and it will start making the changes. It will, and it is pretty useful and amazing. So these are the like the main features that you will see on the like you can use in the day-to-day use. So that's all for this video, and I hope you find this video helpful. And if you find this video helpful, you can consider to like this video, subscribe our channel, and I will see you in the next one.